Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Vice Unit 12, and her color is Headband Highlight 1-Pink. Now, she's not a frontal, she's just a lace part, but there's enough lace in the front to do a little magic. So she has one comb on the left and the right side. She has one comb in the nape of the neck, and she has adjustable straps. This wig has one of those beachy wave type curls and very nice movement. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a minute, you would know I do not like adjustable straps. My head is quite big, so I don't ever need them. And the hooks be rubbing up against my braids, so I just cut them off. But if you do need them and you have a smaller head, I would recommend you keep them. So here we are getting a little bit of shedding and tangling. I was disappointed when I tried it on at first. I thought it was going to be maybe slightly yakkier, but you know, the silkiness that this was, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't Barbie doll. So after measuring off my ear tabs, now I'm pinning down the wig on the mannequin head. I'm going to start adding my wax stick, my trusty wax stick, always linked in the description. Everything that I will use in this video, all the tools, will be linked in the description as well. Right here, the mannequin head starts falling and I start struggling. But once I started hot combing, I realized that there's not much hair on the lace to even pluck, so I didn't pluck this wig at all. Now, I've noticed while I was hot combing that this side of the lace is a lot thinner than the other side. So I was able to see the wefts, and it was very, very hard not to focus on it. Like instantly, I know you can see the difference. You don't see the wig cap starting, you don't see the wefts, you don't see as much of the mannequin's head underneath. Like it's just so much more hair on this side of the lace. It was even easier to hot comb this and really like give it that volume look. The other side just looks bold, if I'm being honest. So like I said before, the hair on the lace was very thin, so I didn't pluck. I just carved out my baby hairs. I did pluck out of the part though. I wanted to open up that part towards the back. It was very, very tight. Then you see me putting together my foundation and my contour. I mixed the two together just to give that natural shadow color. That way, if I do wear the wig with makeup, then it looks good. And if I'm not wearing the wig with makeup, then my scalp doesn't look really, really bright. So here I'm just tinting the lace of my wig grip with that same mixture that I put on my wig lace. I just absolutely am obsessed with wig grips. I never want another wig comb to touch my hair again. Like, ain't no point in suffering and losing edges if I don't have to, okay? I just love customizing a wig on a mannequin before putting it on your head. Like, it's basically done. All I gotta do is lay this down, cut the lace off, and cut the baby hairs and lay those. Like, that's really, really simple. Now, firstly, this wig is big head friendly, but I feel like it's more big head adjacent. It's not big head's best friend. You know what I'm saying? Just beware. So you see, I'm using that even sensitive gold can. I gotta try more even, but I think I'm good with the gold can for now. I just ran out and I want to cry. So my next video, I'm probably gonna have that got to be spray back. So here I'm taking the rat tail portion of my comb, just sticking it under my lace to pull up the parts that are glued down, push it back as far as I possibly can so that I know where I want to cut my lace off at. I still want the lace to cover like my sideburns and everything. So I decided to lay it down first to just get an idea. And it ended up working. I never cut my lace like this before, but it ended up coming out very good. Also, I didn't show it, but I cut the lace off using an eyebrow razor for a more jagged finish on the lace. So here I'm taking a little concealer brush with my winter foundation shade from Kiss. It's slightly brighter than me, so I like to put it in my part rather than putting in concealer. I want it to still be as close to my skin color as possible. Please, y'all, please do not, and I repeat, do not use the flat iron that I'm using. Do not use a flat iron this thick. Like, I couldn't find my thin one, and I still had to film the video because I had things to do. So we had to eat that L. But honestly, I fixed these baby hairs later on after the fact once I did find the proper flat iron. But what you want is a smaller flat iron, one that's going to give you a much cleaner, shorter curl, so that you can then obviously cut your baby hair shorter if you want. One thing I cannot go without mentioning is that this flat iron was set on 400 and the hair did not burn. Yay! So go off Sensational, go off Vice Unit, period. Now, I knew this was going to become a problem, but it didn't stop me from doing it. So I cut my baby hairs shorter than my flat iron. Yeah, I was having a real hard time gripping the hair with the flat iron, but we still made did our best. I tilted my head down, let gravity do its thing, let God go to work, and God did exactly what I couldn't do. So, and now we finally got it done. But the next baby hair, I didn't even bother with curling it. I said, forget it. I need to find that flat iron for real. This wig honestly took me way too long. Like, y'all don't see the full length of time, but after a lot of, after a lot of tender love and care and attention to this wig, we have gotten, why is this? Well, I can't ask why is it so tangly. I literally just styled this wig and teased this wig for maybe a good hour. And I should probably stop. It's so pretty. Like, I never thought I would like this. Yes, ma'am. Even with that minimal amount of lace, we did our thing. We did our best. The camera is here, but for some reason, I can't stop looking at myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the ends. I do these videos before I have to go to work so that I have my hair done for when I go to work. Oh, I should have started from the bottom like a smart person, but I didn't. Yeah, this side definitely has gone through a lot. This side is going through a lot to the point where she's gonna need some love. And I'm definitely gonna cut this hair and cut layers into this hair. It's really way too long for me to keep it this length. Absolutely love it. The colors is exactly what I thought it was gonna be like. Okay, so this is all the hair. Let me sit back. This is, well, this is all the hair to the front. So I'm around 5'8", 5'9". So where this wig hits on me, it's giving very much 28, 30 inch, maybe. I'm just really surprised that this lace like looks as good as it does. I'm honestly shocked. I'm honestly shocked. And I just love how like everything is just so, it just moves so pretty. I will say quite a bit of shedding, and by the end of manipulating it, a little bit of tangling. Then again, it is a synthetic wig. It's long, it's silky. Like just feeling this, I can tell this is gonna tangle quite quick. And Katrina, you ain't never lied, because within 3 days, I had to cut this wig. I even gave her days in between the rest. Like, wow, just look at that pink. Just look at that pink. That pink is so vibrant. Being honest, this is so summer, and I'm here for it completely. Or fall, because you know Halloween is getting very much like Draculaura, Monster High, even though I don't watch Monster High. It's definitely screaming Sasha, you know what I'm saying, Bratz, giving very much what my girl Sasha will wear. What my girl Sasha will wear. My only request is that you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified of all the videos, the videos that I upload from this point on. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what wigs you think next would look great. Also, if there's a certain wig that y'all want to see, but you haven't seen anyone make videos on it yet, tell me that in the comment section below, because I want to start making videos specifically that people have not seen, which might cause me to get a couple bad wigs, but hey, I do this for you. I do this for you. And hit me up in the comment section. I love just talking to y'all. If you have no suggestions, that's fine. If just reaching out, just anything. Encouragement and support, period. It's free, and I genuinely appreciate it. Remember, stay prayed up. This world is crazy, and be blessed. Love you guys.